what exactly is blockchain? What's crypto? What's layer one and layer two? Why do people buy cryptocurrency? And how and why does crypto go up in value? These are questions that have boggled my mind since I got into the crypto space. And I just wanted a simple explanation. But it all was so technical and so much jargon was being thrown around, I didn't understand any of it. That's why I'm creating this video for you, so I can simplify what blockchain is, what crypto is, what layer one, layer twos, and all these terms that you hear on a regular basis and can't really get the grasp of. Well, I'm going to break it down for you, simplified in this video. So kindly like this video and subscribe if you find this breakdown and explanation helpful. So imagine a giant notebook that everyone in your school can see and write in, but nobody can erase anything inside it. Every time someone adds a new page, the whole class checks it first, agrees, and then makes the entry. That's basically what blockchain is. A blockchain is like a shared notebook on the internet. It keeps track of things like money, trades, or even game scores. It's special because everyone agrees before adding a new page. And once it's written, it can't be changed. It's safe and fair. Think of the blockchain like a computer lab. The computers in the lab are the network, and the operating system in the computer is the blockchain. People can build apps like games or payment tools that run on this system. These apps use the blockchain's rules to keep everything safe and secure. Now, layer one is like the main road, the original blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And layer two is like the quicker side road built on top of the first layer to make things faster and cheaper. For example, Ethereum is a layer one, but Polygon is a layer two, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain and processes things a lot quicker. Now, what exactly is the link between blockchain and crypto? Think of it like this: the blockchain is the car, and the cryptocurrency is the fuel that powers the car. So you need fuels or tokens or cryptocurrency in order to drive the car, i.e., make transactions. And if lots of people want to use the car, well, the fuel will become more valuable. And that's how cryptocurrencies gain their value and go up in value because the blockchain becomes more popular, in demand, and more people want to use it. Now, buying crypto is like buying tickets for a big concert. If the concert gets super popular, those tickets will be worth a lot more. Just like in a major league baseball game, maybe in the World Series or in a soccer game, let's say the FIFA World Cup. Why are those tickets so expensive if you don't get them early? Well, because so many people want tickets to be able to get into the game. Well, now those tickets are a lot more valuable and people are willing to pay a lot more for it. It's the same concept. A popular event, people really want to go to it, therefore the tickets will be worth a lot more. So if blockchain becomes popular, its cryptocurrency or the cryptocurrency associated with that blockchain can go up in value. Let's look at Ethereum, for example, one of the most famous blockchains. People use Ethereum for DeFi apps, which is decentralized finance, like online banks without having the middlemen, for NFTs, non fungible tokens, digital arts and collectibles, for games where you own your items, and so on and so forth. All these apps need ETH, which is the cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network. So if millions of people use Ethereum apps, ETH becomes more valuable, just like fuel for a busy highway. So now that you know that blockchain is the notebook, apps are the games, and crypto is the fuel that makes it all work. I hope that gives you a better understanding of all of these terms and how they come together. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned something, if you've gained some insights, please smash the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.